put all these boards on. Now I'm going to just trim them off flush. So now this pallet is ready to be just topped up with a bit more soil, and then I'm going to plant it out. Okay, what I've got here is a planter that is going to hang using this bracket on the veranda rail. I'm going to fill this up with compost and plant it out. And of course, underneath it, we're going to have to use this drain tray. Beautiful light growth medium. Okay, and now I'm going to plant some herbs into this hanging planter. This is a great little planter. It's a big pot and it's got some parsley in it, some garlic chives, and in the middle there's a miniature worm farm. So you can put some scraps in here and the worms will eat the scraps and make fantastic fertilizer that goes into the things growing around it. It's amazing. You can make a really simple device like this, a little cage, and it'll fit over the top of your hanging basket and the possums can't get the food. Now I've got some compost here that I brought upstairs. It's pretty heavy because I have to fill up this pallet planter, this vertical planter. So I'm going to be putting this in by hand. Make sure when you bring these things, if you're going upstairs, get somebody to help you, because this stuff, even though it's a lightweight growth medium, altogether this plant is pretty heavy. Okay, what I've got here is I've got some rosemary. Now that likes a nice dry soil, so I'm going to plant that up the top. And then I've got some basil, chive, I've got some lettuce, I've got some oregano, that can also be near the top. The rosemary, I'm going to actually put it right in the top of the vertical garden. And it's going to sit in there, and it's going to really like it there. Here's the oregano. I'm going to separate this, and I'm going to slice a bit of this sacking, this hessian, like that, and make a pocket. And then I'm going to put this oregano in there, like that, and it's going to be really happy in there. Okay, and what do you want from your balcony? Do you want shelter? Do you want privacy? Do you want a view? Do you want beautiful colour? Do you want perfume? There's so many great things you can get from having a balcony garden. So here we are, here's our vertical garden. You can see I've planted basil, lettuce, I've got some oregano, I've got some chives, and once these things take hold, they're going to be really happy, and they're going to provide us with heaps of really good herbs when we're cooking, right from our balcony.